Barkley's Curriculum Review for Adult-Gerontology Primary Care Nurse Practitioners is a practice question book designed to help you prepare for your boards and beyond. Our expertly crafted AGPCNP textbook is designed to align with National Nurse Practitioner certification standards and provide the comprehensive knowledge you need to excel on your exams and in clinical practice. Our Curriculum Review practice question book is specifically designed for the Adult-Gerontology Primary Care Nurse Practitioner. It features over 600 practice questions, detailed rationales, and discussions broken down into an easy-to-follow system format. These questions are 100% unique and are not found anywhere else. This textbook is an invaluable resource for new and experienced adult gerontology primary care nurse practitioners, so don't miss out and start preparing today. Preparing you for boards and beyond. Barkley & Associates, simply the best.